Smoking till a stupid state, stay until it's late. Sweet like chocolate cake, talk just like the shit I roll off paper plates. Search for sweet escape because inside I feel I'm dying slow. I tell you all that.
What is happening, my dogs? My name is Madison and I am the Auction Dog. Thank you for joining us on our channel. Tonight, we are going and kind of doing a little lifestyle vlog thing. We're headed out to the first drift event at the Freedom Factory. Cletus McFarland. I live in Bradenton, okay, right outside of the racetrack. We've been going to that racetrack particularly since we were kids and drifting 240s when they were, you know, 500 bucks. And I never slid, but I always went, and like all my friends always did, and I was just always around that. So it's something that I've always loved, very much so. And when Cletus bought that, it was really cool to see him revamp and put some energy into that track. So I'm really happy that this is happening, and we're heading out there to support. So we are hopping in the X5. You can't see it out there. And we're gonna cruise on out there and freaking hit the digs, man. I got a bunch of boys out there. We're gonna drink some beers and watch them drifting. It's gonna be tight. Peace. Driving the E53 and then I get an alert that says check brake lights, so we're at Advanced Auto Parts because I was passing one. Okay. Press them. They all work. Let go. Let go. Oh. Let go. Alright.
I got a big red bag with some goodies in it. Bad bitch, got some titties, yeah, she want me up in it. Couple ounces, box of blunts, yeah, you know she gon' split them. Got some gin up in that juice, so we're not only living this good life. I hope my ex gets offended.
Alright, we here. It's dark, but we here. There's a shitload of people here.
Oh yeah.
20 bucks a head.
Florida, baby.
We got 4-wheel drive, we're good here, man.
There's children.
It's okay. I've got a child.
I've got a child.
Yep. Alright, dude, just met up with Dr. Eggroll. It's fucking dark here.
It's crazy.
It's dark here. But you can't see him. And I've got my girlfriend here.
Doc Egg.
Doc Egg. Dr. Egg. Live in the flesh.
This shit makes me want to get a car again, dude.
Stop being a puss, dude, and just get one. I keep telling you, like, oh, yeah, car it is.
I don't know.
Last time I was here, I snuck beers into inside of my jacket. It's like,
Yeah.
the gate's right there. Who's scanning the what?
Thank you.
They'll do it right here.
Nope. One.
Scan. Gotcha.
And then for my girlfriend right here.
Perfect. And got it. Thank you.
Perfect. Oh. Thank you. Got my stamp here. Got your stamp. Perfect. Thanks, Captain Douche. Did you?
Got my
Why are they stamping D's on you, dude? Music. I don't know who ice this music. Dude, this place is popping right now. This is 20 bucks a head, dude. Come here.
We're like right at the top.
There you go. This is so tight. Dude, this is fucking sick, right? Jesus Christ. Oh, well done.
Wait, how do you think it drinks? Oh, yeah.
Good. Glad you still have it. I had a really nice picture of it. Oh yeah, I got a nice picture of it out there. I'll send it to you. What's that last one? Or it could be a V8 M3. Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah. And I love, out of everything, dude, he was always just a shredder, dude. He was. Like, he was just good at it. You know what I'm saying? Just naturally had it.
Everybody that I always rode with, there was always Brandon and Brennan.
I'm just happy for everybody. It's crazy how it all happened, you know? Yeah, right. Dude, I'm just come out here and fucking drive on it. It's gotta be so rad. It's gotta be so rad. It's gotta be.
They have those lows. They just have like fucking water.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely. Hell yeah! Oh hell yeah! For the boys like me. Oh fuck yeah! See his trunk on there? That's awesome. There we go. I got a fucking You're kidding me? It's 12-12. One Bitcoin would be $1 million. I honestly believe that shit. You know what I'm saying? It's not as cool.
And they're telling me there's one course in all Formula Drift that they go over 100 miles an hour. And when Chelsea and Vaughn were here, they said they were entering this turn at 90 miles an hour. So
the Miata's got to be nuts, right? Like V8 like that? Oh my God.
I just can't handle.
We're on the way out of here. My girlfriend and I, Bruni. We had a good time. It was good. You know, it's pretty much the same thing over and over. People just drive around in circles. On the way out of here, we caught Sheen's car, who was in the vlog with us. He hung out. And dude, this is the kid Sean's car who was hanging out with us tonight. It looks really good. Bud, you'll remember this car. Stop. It's got, excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Like, I know, cute girls in the vlog. It's got style 42s on it. It's got SLR angle mod, bunch of nice parts. He'll be drifting this here soon, bro. What a badass build, man. Yeah. I love cars. I love the car scene. I love Auction Dawg. I love doing all this. Thank you guys if you watched this far. Do appreciate it. Check out our content. Check out our merch. Check out all our stuff. We sell cars. We buy cars. We do all kinds of stuff with cars. Check us out. www.theauctiondawg.com. Over and out.